Hey, what's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to fix the problem when Bing Chat is not processing your prompts or showing an error. Firstly, make sure your account has access to Bing Chat and you're using a reliable network connection. Using the Microsoft Edge browser, go to bing.com and navigate to the Chat tab. If Bing Chat is not responding to your requests or not showing up at all, verify that you're logged into the correct Microsoft account by clicking on your username. Also, ensure that you have joined the waitlist to get access. Next, open up your Windows settings, select VPN in the Network and Internet section, and make sure your VPN connection is disabled. In your time and language settings, click on Date and Time. Ensure that the Set Automatically option is enabled. Clear your browser cache and site data for Bing.com to make sure any account updates will show up when using Bing Chat. To clear the browser cache using the Edge browser, click on the menu icon on the top right to access your browser settings. Navigate to Cookies and Site Permissions, then Manage and Delete Cookies and Site Data. See all cookies and site data. Search for Bing.com, clear all site cookies and data for the Bing.com domain. Lastly, ensure that you're using a reliable network connection or use a different network connection to see if this issue is network related. In some cases, high traffic and server issues can cause Bing Chat problems, where you won't be able to use it for a couple of minutes or hours. Wait for some time before trying to use Bing Chat again. That's all for today's tutorial. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.